Ramadan, a holiest month in Islam. Overview. Ramadan, the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar, is a sacred and significant period for Muslims worldwide. Muslims believe that Ramadan teaches them to practice self-discipline, self-control, sacrifice, and empathy for those who are less fortunate, thus encouraging actions of generosity and compulsory charity, zakat. Muslims also believe fasting helps instill compassion for the food-insecure poor. Fasting, Saum. A pillar of Islam, fasting during Ramadan involves abstaining from food, drink, smoking, and certain behaviors from dawn to sunset. Spiritual reflection. Muslims engage in increased prayer, Quran recitation, and acts of kindness, deepening their spiritual connection with Allah. Community and togetherness. Iftar, the evening meal to break the fast, brings families and communities together, fostering unity, gratitude, and a sense of togetherness. Acts of charity. Ramadan emphasizes charity, zakat, and voluntary acts of kindness, promoting compassion and a sense of social responsibility. Nightly prayers, Taraweeh. Special nightly prayers provide an opportunity for increased spiritual connection, reflection, and seeking forgiveness. Eid al-Fitr. The month concludes with the celebration of Eid al-Fitr, marked by communal prayers, feasting, and giving to those in need. Significance. Ramadan serves as a time for self-discipline, spiritual growth, and community bonding, embodying the core principles of Islam.